So hi again. Thank you for clicking and well, liking and subscribing. It's been a blast watching everything grow. We made some coffee with the Aeropress today. It was pretty good. The Aeropress makes absolutely great coffee. It's too good for the outside, to be honest. But it's really good coffee. For you who care, they do also make a smaller version. They call it the Aeropress Go. If you're going backpacking and stuff, I would suggest getting that version. This one is a little bit too big to have in your backpack. But if you like good coffee and want a great cup of coffee when you're outside or on the go, it's a great piece of kit. I'm gonna hike out of here after this cup, and I will see you later. For those who want to know, I measured the coffee before I went from home. I think I measured it to 13 grams. I think it's should be 11 grams coffee to 200 gram water. Yeah, sorry, math in the video, not good. I will hike out of here and I'll see you later. So we finally cleared up. It's not too pretty in the snow, but it's clean. We haven't left anything behind. We've taken everything in the bag, everything we used. We cleaned up everything. All we have to do is hike out of here. So yeah. But this is just us. Nobody's been here in a long time. Wow, since yesterday maybe. We had a snowstorm yesterday. It was crazy. I've got to say, when it snows a lot in Norway, and we are a little bit concerned, it's a lot of snow. So we had maybe half a meter of snowfall yesterday, just in one day. This over here is well, the fire department and some local construction firms. They made this so everybody could use it. Mostly it's the kindergartens. I'll show you the inside. It's pretty good. They actually updated it a while back. And they made new seating arrangements outside. There's a fire pit in the middle. There you see the grill. And yeah, they call it stuben. That would be stump in English. I don't know how well you're going to see it, but yeah. Seating, this is new actually, and they have 5 bricks and a 5-bed. I don't know what kind of genius person made this, but I have a feeling he also cut himself. Have a great day, man. This is just us. One day I'll do a camp up here. Stubben.